Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Kumar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce Scenarios. Today we'll be discussing about the very wonderful tool released by Salesforce, that is Work.com, for opening the business in these types of situation where whole world is suffering from this COVID-19 pandemic. So let's get started. So first question came in our mind is that what is Work.com? Work.com provides you with the essential solutions designed to help business reopen the workplace as quickly as possible while helping to keep employees, customer, partners, community safe and informed during the COVID-19 crisis and beyond that. In this COVID-19 pandemic situation, Salesforce have created an awesome platform for reopening the business again. There are some kind of key tracks there, like with the help of Work.com platform, what we can do, mark the data-driven decisions. Let's say in a single hub itself, leaders to make informed decision based on public and private data, track employee and workplace readiness, manage and monitor employee wellness and training, shift scheduling and facilities programs, act quickly based on the insights. Will be using triggers, workflows, apps and actions associated with running business operation for reopening the location for the businesses. And we'll be having some tracks like stabilize, reopen and grow. Now again, moving to the next slide, we'll be having certain components which are pre-built in the Work.com packages. We have to install certain packages. I'll be adding the link of those packages and documentations in the description box, so you can reach there and you can take and install those packages and configure that part accordingly with the help of those documentations provided by Salesforce. So these are some of the aspects like Workplace Command Center. What we can do in Workplace Command Center is we can enable CXOs, HR, operation team and facilities manager to monitor workplace, location and shift, access data to make faster decision, access employee wellness survey responses, track employee completion of learning on my trailhead, pre-configuration apps and data model to get started faster. Now we'll be having contact tracing. There we can trace the health and relationship contacts privately, manual track relationship to safely and securely minimize the spread of COVID-19. Now we'll be having the shift management and planning that can streamline our process of managing the shift for different employees from the different workarounds. We can monitor the capacity of the workplace locations, determine scheduling, track employees availability, track shift arrival windows and enable employees to input availability, view and select available time to work there with the help of shift management and planning. What is emergency response management? Here we can track about the achieve mission success when disaster strike our organization, enable public and private health organization like hospital and clinics to manage manual patient contact tracing, engage with patients impacted by an emergency, triage and take patients with self-assessment and contact center, schedule and deliver services to patients in need. These are some of the functionalities we can manage with the help of emergency response management. My trailhead for employee wellness. In Work.com the platform, we'll be having one section with my trailhead. There my trailhead will be giving the special trailhead kits for learning to the employees, and we can manage their portfolio there, like what all badges they are all working on, what learning they have achieved in this time, like that we can do that. So there are some volunteer and grants management also, in which we can manage the streamline volunteer and grant making coordinations between all the volunteers in the one platform itself. And now we'll be coming to the digital workspace. In digital workspace, there we are doing all of this stuff, like we are managing all the employees data, all the employees activities there, all the employees wellness check here, Now here comes our employees journey. We can quickly deliver employees apps journeys using templates. Now we'll be having some employee wellness check in which HR, ops and facility managers send survey and manage consistent with predefined configured templates, enable employee to respond the surveys of COVID-19 related questions we can send directly here with the work.com platform. We'll be having one and most important functionality, emerging response management for public sector also. We can engage with patient impacted by emergency, receive and prioritize requests for emergency resources, schedule and deliver services, and allocate resources to residents and agencies if those guys are in need. So what we can do is that with volunteer and grant management also, we can leverage the flexibility tools to automate the grant making process very streamlined. So again moving, we can do the MuleSoft integration with work.com platform. We can integrate Tableau with work.com so that we'll be getting the real-time data. So in work.com command center, we'll be having all the reports and dashboards related to all the patients and related to all the employees, that who all are working, who all are in which shift, from which location they are working on, what are their tasks. We can manage directly. That is the dynamic dashboards, and that should be working on the real-time basis. So we can also integrate MuleSoft with work.com. And here are some of the snapshots how command center will look like this. We'll be having the location workplace status, employee wellness status by location. For every location we can track. This is the employee wellness check in which we will be having the employee status, location workplace status, everything we can manage in the one platform. These are the operation feeds. Let's say what our tasks our personal HR and operation team have to create. Let's say night shift cleaning, afternoon shift cleaning, every task and alerts we'll be having particularly on the one platform. So like this, from the work.com, we'll be sending the availability request to all my employees, that if they want to work from the office, they can just fill on this availability report. I'll be sending this to them, and on mobile application they will be getting this notification for shifts, and from there itself they can submit that yes, I am available for this date to this date, so that I can be able to manage the confirmation of the shifts there itself. So that is the pretty much important thing to manage and track all the COVID-19 related functionality or the crisis which are facing here itself, to reopening our business again smoothly and very effectively with the help of work.com. So now I'll be moving for some live demo. Now guys, I'll be jumping to my Salesforce org for the command center. So firstly, what we have to do, we have to install certain packages to run work.com in our Salesforce organization. Package names are shift management, command center, work.com FSL package is there, one package is employee wellness status package is there. So in the description box I'll be adding those links for the packages, for the documentation, how you can configure work.com for the Salesforce organization for your use. So I'll be there into my org. So this is the command center. There is the workplace command center. What are the location for these workplaces? We can just view all the location directly from here. I have defined some locations, let's say Kochi and Bengaluru. So that's why those two locations are coming here on the map. We can squeeze the map, as well as we can increase the size of the map as well as. So these are some of the locations. These are list views here for the locations, and this is the employee wellness status dashboards. Here I can view all the employees which are in my organization working. So here we can have the dashboard like what will be the status available to work, how many employees are available on work, how many percentage is there, what percentage is there, like this we can calculate here. And for this is the open task manager. For every location we can create the tasks. These are the tasks, these are the closed status, all tasks, not started, in progress, different status of task. From this drop down menu we can view all the tasks. Let's say from that is the standard functionality in work.com, like we have the functionality in Sales Cloud and Service Cloud for creating the tasks. From the activity management setting, here also we can create the task like this, and we can assign the different tasks to specify the particular locations. That's how we can manage here. We can view the tasks directly clicking on this button, so that we can be able to view the task. We can see the status of the task, that it is in progress, completed, not started, incoming, no response. We can add n number of statuses, whatever you want. We can customize this platform 100%. So this is the wellness status by location that 50% of the people are in the location. What is the count? Bangalore, Kochi. That's how I'll be managing. So I can search the location from here. Let's say for the Bangalore location I have to make it, I have put in Bangalore, and then according to this I'll be getting all this information related to that. So this is the task, employee wellness check for Bangalore location. From if I want to change from here, let's say Kochi location, I'll be having Kochi location also there. So these are the tasks auto populated there. We can add n number of location, n number of employees, and with the package we'll be having the architecture attached there. That is the standard architecture, employee, how many employees are there, how many location, on which location those employees are working on, everything we will be having with the package only. That is the managed package, and according to that we will be having some kind of customization related to the data sets. We'll be having integration with different third-party applications as well as in for work.com. And now I'll be showcasing you a very important thing, that is this global COVID-19 tracker. In that tracker, how we can do that, we'll be having, this is the tracker from the United States, and this data is coming directly from Tableau, and we can also integrate this COVID tracker with MuleSoft Salesforce integration. So here what we can do, that how many total cases are there, we can be able to check like this also. And these are from every time. This is the real time data which I have showcasing you guys, how many deaths are there and what will be the case type, confirmed deaths. We can also able to do like that from here itself. What will be the date axis, actual algorithm scale, all those information we can calculate directly from here. This data is coming from Tableau now, but what we can do is that, again I am saying, is that we can integrate the data with the help of external tools, external apps also. Let's say MuleSoft integration we can do directly from here. Those types of things we can manage in work.com. So what we are doing is that we'll be having another different view of that this is the command center. Means if you are having executives, HR, they can be able to view that, yes, what is the status of my employee, what are the open tasks, what is the location on particular my company is working on, how many employees are working there, what is the status of their employee, what is the wellness status by location, what we are providing with the COVID tracker, how we can manage this. So a particular team, operation team or executive team or HR will be able to see directly here from the workplace command center. That is the epicenter of this work.com. So now I'll be moving to my shift management app. How we can manage the shift of our customers there from the work.com platform. How we can able to send the request to the particular employees, that yes, he or she can be able to view that. So from here we can add the employees and location directly. So this is the thing, that for Bengaluru this is the certain type of facility hierarchy, in which what we can do is that we can add the workplace. Means if my company is situated to this particular tower, how many floors are there in that tower, how many we can manage like that here directly from here itself. So I'll be moving to my, let's say, availability request. From there I can be able to send the request. Let's say for this date, for this range, I'll be saying he'll be available for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If I just click on next, directly I'll be sending message to my particular employee that we have sent our employee notification to enter their availability and select the period dates. Let's say I'll be finishing it. Again I'll be redirecting to this availability request, and after this, who all employees are using the work.com licenses there, so they can be able to view the same thing. I have added those things in the screenshots and the presentation, as well as they will be getting the notification on their mobile app. They'll be confirming the notification, they'll be confirming their availability, that they can be able to join the company as soon as possible or not. And we can also set up the criteria in work.com, like for this particular day 30% employee will be coming, for this particular week 40%, 50% employee will be coming. According to that we can configure all these things. And for shift schedules and shift management, what we are using the FSL licenses, from where we can check that yes, for this particular day this is my shift. Like this we'll be configuring. For one and the more important thing I want to showcase you guys is that how we can managing our employees. So let's say I'll be moving to this employee tab, and how we can sending the survey to the employee directly, so that they can be able to fix the survey and they can be able to check that what are the details. And here itself, directly from here, we can be able to check yes. So this is the status survey questions, and this is the status of the survey, that how many employees fill this survey. Like that we can be able to calculate this. So what we can do is that, so this is my employee here, this is my name. What I can do, I can send directly survey from here. To this particular employee. Yes, it is loading. And what I have done is I have created two surveys. One is return to work and continuous wellness. We can create n number of surveys, and for creating surveys, what we are doing, we are using the internal Salesforce functionality there. That is the standard survey functionality there in Salesforce, and there will be managing all the surveys, and we can create a number of surveys there. So if I send directly from here, send survey, my survey is automatically sent to this employee. So here we go. And what we can do is that now I'll be moving to the survey dashboard. Let's say from here I'll be typing survey. This is the standard survey there, that is containing wellness survey which I have created, opening the latest version which I have created. So this is the standard functionality of Salesforce. So let's say I'll going to analyze. So this is the survey metric dashboard. Here we can check that yes, how many surveys are completed by which employee and what is the response status. Maybe it is the started or completion. Let's say what we can do is that for a select survey page, what we can do, we can check all the questions, that yes, for this question what are the responses, for this question what are the responses, and total response distribution also we can be able to check. So this is the very amazing functionality, standard functionality of Salesforce. So guys, yes, what the thing is that, so this is the very small specific demo related to the configuration, but yes, this platform is 100% customizable, and most of our customers are engaging in this platform because that is the very good platform provided by Salesforce, taking the epicenter of this pandemic COVID-19. so that we can make our organization work again. So yes, command center will provide not the static dashboards. The dashboards here in the command center all are related to the realistic data. What all data we are capturing from the backend, that we are providing the reports directly here on the real-time basis. So that's how these are the functionality which I have showcased you, some of the glimpse of command center, shift management, employee wellness status. Yeah, so thank you very much guys, have a great day. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be keep you posted with all the new functionality, all the features released by the Salesforce. So thank you very much.